Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can use Wave accounting software. Wave is really great for freelancers and small businesses to track income, expenses, invoices, and reports efficiently. The first thing that you will have to do if you don't have your Wave account already, you do have to, of course, sign up. But if you already have one, then just log in with your right credentials. And after logging in, you will basically be redirected to the dashboard. So yeah, anyway, once you're on your dashboard, you will add your business. So you will click add a business. So it should be somewhere right here. It really depends on the version, on the layout, or the plan that you have. So anyway, once you see add a business, you will just have to click it, and then you will enter your business name, type, and currency, and just click save. And then after that, you will set up your account by going to your accounting section. So it should be somewhere right here. So just go ahead and click that, and then you will look for chart of accounts, and then you will add bank accounts, income, and expense categories. And then of course you do have to create invoices. So you do have to look for sales or directly to invoices or invoicing. So it really depends on the layout of your screen again. And anyway, once you go to your invoices section, you will just have to create invoice, and then you will enter client info, item details, and due date, and send an invoice. And then after that, you will track expenses by going to the purchases area. So it should be somewhere right here if you've already logged in, or if you do have that option. So once you go to your purchases, you will just have to go to bills and receipts, and basically you will add the expenses, and then you will, categorize, attach receipts if needed, and then generate reports by, of course, you do have to go to the um report section. So it should be somewhere right here as well. So anyway, once you see the report section, just go ahead and click that, and then you will go to profit and loss or balance sheet, and then you will review the financial status, and you could also export if needed. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you, and have an awesome day.